Assalamualaikum. How are you today? Okay, today we learn new chapter, which is chapter 6, three-dimensional geometrical shapes. Alright, do you know that Tun Mustafa Tower is the pride of Sabah? Look at the shape. What shape is it? It is a cylinder. Do you know the surface area of this building? And do you know what is the volume of this building? How to find the surface area of this tower? And how to find the volume of this tower? Okay, so the purpose of you learn this topic is to know the properties of three-dimensional geometrical shapes and how to find the surface area and also how to find the volume of the geometrical shape. Alright. What will you learn in this topic? There are 4 parts, which is 6.1 geometrical properties of three-dimensional shapes. Okay, and then you will learn what is next of three-dimensional shapes, the surface area, and also the volume of three-dimensional shapes. Alright, so for today we will learn about the geometrical properties of three-dimensional shapes. Do you know that geometrical have two-dimensional and three-dimensional shapes? Before this, you know what is two-dimensional shape. What are the dimensional shapes? These are the examples. You have rectangle, you know the triangle, then you know what is trapezium, and you know the circle. Okay, two-dimensional shapes. Two-dimensional shape have length and width, which we can find the area of the shape. Alright, like this triangle, you can find the area. So, based on two-dimensional shapes, we can find the area. Alright, and the area of circle, you have learned in previous topic. Okay, to find the area of circle, you have to know the radius of this circle. Alright, next, what is three-dimensional shapes? Okay, these are the example of three-dimensional shapes. You have cuboid, you have prism. Okay, this one also a prism, and this one is sphere. Okay, alright. So now we want to look at what is the geometrical properties of 3D shapes. This is a prism. Okay, so what is the geometrical properties of prism? Do you know? Okay, prism have two flat bases that are polygon, which are congruent and parallel. Okay, two flat base. So this one, right? So this one is the flat base. Okay, two flat base that are polygon. Remember what is polygon? Right? So a prism must have two flat base which are polygon, congruence and parallel. Congruence. What is congruent? Congruence means that have same size and same shape. Okay, then that two flat base must be parallel. So this one is a prism. Okay, for this one, okay, the two flat bases is here. Okay, it must be polygon, which are congruence and parallel. Okay, Then it have flat rectangular shaped side. Alright, so this prism have flat rectangular shaped side. Look at all the side. Okay, this prism have 3 flat rectangular shaped side. Okay, and this prism have 6 flat rectangular shaped side. The number of flat rectangular shaped side is based on the number of side of it to flat surface that are congruent and parallel. This one, the congruent and parallel base have 6 sides. Therefore, it have 6 rectangular shaped side. The other properties of prism is it have uniform cross section. What is uniform cross section? Okay, this one, this triangle, and this triangle is the uniform cross section. Okay, you imagine you have a Toblerone, okay, Toblerone chocolate. Okay, you cut and you have 2 similar cross section. Okay, alright. Alright, this one is pyramid. What is the geometric properties of pyramid? It has one flat base that is polygon shape. Alright, for prism it have 2 flat base, and for pyramid it have 1 flat base that is polygon shape. So this pyramid have rectangular flat base shape, and this one have triangular flat base shape. Okay, the other side are triangular shape that meet at the apex. Okay, look at the other side. It have triangular shape. For the prism, just now we look at the prism. Prism have rectangular side shape. For the pyramid, it has triangular side shape and meet at apex. Apex is this one, the vertex. Okay, this one. Okay, this one is the apex. The point where triangular shape meet is known as apex. Alright, now cylinder. Okay, this one is a cylinder. What is the geometric properties of a cylinder? Cylinder have 2 circular bases which are congruent and parallel. Okay, look at the base, the bottom base and the top base. Okay, have circular shape which are congruent, means that have same size and same shape, and it is parallel. Okay, a cylinder has one curved surface, so this side is curved surface. Okay, now look at this cone. Right, so what is the properties of a cone? Cone have one circular base. Okay, this one, the circular base, and then cone have one apex. This one, the apex. Okay, and one curved surface that merge the base and the apex. Okay, so this one, the side is a curved surface. Alright, the base must be flat. Okay, base of cone, flat base. And this side is curved surface. Okay. Alright, look at this one. What is it? It is a sphere. Okay, this is a sphere. All points on the surface are equidistant from the center of the sphere. Okay, inside the sphere, it has a center. And all points on the sphere are equidistant from this center. Alright, and sphere has one curved surface. For the sphere do not have flat surface. Alright, so you have learned the geometric properties of 3D shapes, which are, we know the properties of prism, and then you know the properties of pyramid, then you know the properties of cylinder, cone, and sphere, and you know the flat surface and curved surface. Okay, and then the other properties of 3D shapes. So I want you to do self-practice 6.1 in your textbook, page 101 and page 102. Okay, so see you on next video.